Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more soda.
Okay, okay.
That sounds like one of the pumas might be in trouble. We can use my spotting scope to help us find the puma team. Make a spotting scope with your hands to look for the puma team. There they are. Come on, let's go see what happened.
So, Drew, do you believe in koala bears?
What are you talking about?
Koala bears! Drew! Drew, koala bears. Do you believe in them?
I guess so.
I think we may be dealing with a ghost and or alien problem here.
What are you talking about?
I need to go use the ladies' room. Drew, I need your help.
No thanks. I don't want to help you piss.
But we have an issue upstairs.
Mike, if you pissed all over the walls again, I said clean it up, okay? You can do it yourself this time. You're a big boy now.
It's a different problem.
I don't understand. It's like a sign or something, like... Get up! Get up! What was that noise? Noise. No! What are you doing? Don't stop! No! No!
Hey, we got any more soda?
Jake? Oh man, Jake, you scared us. I thought you were like a ghost or something.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of weird, but do we have any more soda? Oh, there it is.
Oh my! It's all a dream. Oh, that was a crazy dream. Oh.
Hi.
What the hell are you doing in my room?
I've been watching you sleep for quite some time.
Get the hell out of my room!
Okay.